How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking me, are NordVPN speeds good? And what is their fastest server? Or what are the fastest servers? And the answer to that is actually pretty simple. Now, of course, you want to make sure, by the way, if you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about NordVPN. But you want to use the recommended protocol, which is the NordLynx protocol. It's a WireGuard-based protocol, which will give you the best speeds. Now, with regards to the NordVPN servers, they're all pretty high-quality servers that give you very good speeds. There are no fastest servers per se, but the general rule is the closer the server to you, the better the connection. So I'm somewhere in the European region, and my speed without a VPN is roughly around 4.7, 4.8 megabits per second. And as you can tell here, when connected to the Italian server, I got 4.30 megabits per second, which is pretty good. You know, this is roughly a between 8 and 12% drop in speed, a little bit less than 12 actually. It's more around the 7 to 8, 9%, which is excellent. When I connected to the New York server, which is all the way over here, I got 4.29 megabits per second, which is still super good. And of course, when I connected to the much farther Japanese server, which I'm still connected to, it dropped down to 3.87. So that's pretty much how it works. You know, the closer the server to you, you want to make sure you're connecting to a server that's as close to you as possible. That's not really something you have to do, but that's how it generally works. And if you're using a high quality protocol like the NordVPN, like the NordLynx protocol, you're going to be able to get these very impressive speeds no matter which server you connect to. So even though the general rule is that you should connect to the closer server so that you can get better speeds, if you're using a premium VPN like NordVPN with the NordLynx protocol, that's not something you really have to worry about. So I hope that answered you guys' questions. So if you guys are interested in NordVPN, again, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about NordVPN. And keep in mind that NordVPN does have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out all the servers you'd like to try out and test drive the service risk-free. So that's pretty much it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.